To demonstrate the bone stitch. The bone stitch consists of a previous row that's been slip stitched. I'm going to finish slip stitching this row. Then I'm going to single crochet around that slip stitch row and the previous row. There's kind of, you notice these holes that are at the bottom of each. I'm going to just take this out so I can point to it better. You can see these holes. There's one there, there's one there, that are kind of at the bottom of each stitch. These are the holes we're going to work with to do this row. So single crochet, inserting the hook in those holes to finish the stitch. This encompasses both those rows, the slip stitch row and the previous row. And I'm going to show you what it looks like from the back side so you can see that it comes out underneath where the slip stitches are. That's how it encompasses those slip stitches. And then you just keep going across the row, going in those holes for the many stitches as indicated in the pattern. I just skipped a hole, didn't I? I've done that all the way across. Now you can see there's a stiffness, kind of a bulkiness. That's what gave the stiffness to this stitch and calls it a bone stitch. So it just makes the brim of the hat stiffer so it doesn't flop. Hope this helps.